Wanna know how to fix Mobile Legends stuck in loading screen? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. So there can be various ways why your Mobile Legends might be stuck. The primarily and the most common way is network. So make sure you have a stable connection, and if you can, switch to Barra ones. So this might help as well. Next thing, just simply enable airplane mode right here and disable it after 10 seconds. This might help as well. Next thing, you can just simply reinstall the application if none of these work, or restart the mobile first off. This might help as well. Next, just head towards your application and its app settings, and on the bottom right side you should be seeing clear data. Just simply select clear data right here and head towards clear cache. Now once you've selected clear cache, simply select OK, and that's it. You should be good, and that should fix your issues. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.